Hi guys, this is Divyan from dbTech. Welcome to another video on our channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing the OnePlus 6T and also we'll be giving away this device to one of our subscribers. So the rules to enter the giveaway will be somewhere in the video. So keep watching the video till the end to know the rules to enter the giveaway. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so let us start with the unboxing of this device. So on the box you will see a note from the OnePlus community. Apart from that, there's nothing on the box, and this is a 128GB mirror black version, and nothing else about the device is mentioned on the box. Alright, so let us unbox this device with a matching cutter. So there's a protective plastic that we'll have to cut. So first we'll have to remove the plastic wrap to see the note from the community, and this is what it looks like. Surprisingly, there is no seal on the box, so that's that. So let us lift the lid to see the device itself. There is a note about on-screen fingerprint. They say that to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend you using the screen protector from OnePlus. I'm guessing that there is a OnePlus screen protector pre-installed on this device, so you won't have to buy another one. So that is a good thing. Let us keep the device aside for a while and let us see the box content. And you'll have to open it to see the letter itself. Okay, so this is how you can see the letter. There's a OnePlus colored USB Type-C cable inside the box. It's a good thing that they have provided a USB Type-C to 3.5mm converter, because as we all know, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack on this device. So this will come in pretty handy. So let's keep this aside for a while and let us see the fast charger that they are providing with the box. Alright, so let us check the dash charger that they have provided with the box. So here you can see the charger ratings, and this is a fast charger. Alright guys, so let us check the device. So as I've said, that this is a mirror black version and it looks amazing. As I've said, that the tempered glass is already installed on this device, so you won't have to buy a separate tempered glass for this, so that's a good thing. And also they provide a cover inside the box. Let me just show you the cover. So inside this you'll see the SIM ejector tool and also safety information, and also some OnePlus branded stickers. And this is the TPU case that they provide. It's a pretty decent case. I don't think you'll require another case if you use this. This is a pretty decent cover. I don't think you'll require a separate cover for this OnePlus. By the time the device will boot up, let's take a physical overview of this device. So there is a volume slider on the right hand side. There's a power button on the right hand side. Volume rockers are on the left. And there's a dual camera on the back of the device. And on the front you will see this beautiful water drop notch display. So let me set up the device. Alright guys, so this is the fingerprint setup. As you can see, this is the in-display fingerprint. It shows a green light when you place your finger on top of it. Let us test the fingerprint and see how accurate it is. Alright guys, so for the in-display fingerprint to work, you'll actually have to manually press the power button and then you have to place your finger to unlock the device. Apart from that, this is the camera interface. In case you are interested, this is the camera interface. Yes, they do provide portrait mode. If you want a separate video about the camera, then let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so this phone comes out of the box with Oxygen OS version 9.0. So there you have it guys. If you want a full review, then let me know in the comment section down below. And let us talk about the rules to enter the giveaway. Alright guys, so to win this device, all you have to do is you need to be subscribed to our channel. You need to like this video. You need to share this video anywhere on your social platform. You can share this on WhatsApp, you can share this on Facebook, you can share this anywhere. The fourth thing is you need to comment something that you like about this device in the comment section down below. It can be anything, just leave one comment. If you leave more than one comment, then you will be disqualified automatically. And once, this is the most important rule, once the video reaches 1000 likes, then and only then I'll be giving away this device. So make sure you share this video as much as possible so that the video reaches 1000 likes quickly, and the very next day I'll be announcing the winner. And I'm also giving away two Realme 2 Pros. So the giveaway is still on. The rules are also similar to the rules that I have in this video. So in case if you want to enter that giveaway, I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below. Make sure you check the video out and you can enter the giveaway as well. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please follow the rules to enter the giveaway. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one.